Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution. As the contacts are separated in the event of an overload or short circuit situation, an electric arc is formed. All modern MCBs are designed to handle arc interruption process where arc energy extraction and its cooling are provided by metallic arc splitter plates. These plates are held in a proper position by an insulating material. Also, arc runner is provided to force the arc that is produced between the main contacts. The operating mechanism consists of both magnetic tripping and thermal tripping arrangements. The magnetic tripping arrangement essentially consists of a composite magnetic system that has a spring-loaded dashpot with a magnetic slug in a silicon fluid, and a normal magnetic trip. A current-carrying coil in the trip arrangement moves the slug against spring towards fixed pole piece. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution. Magnetic pull is developed on the trip lever when there is a sufficient magnetic field produced by the coil. In case of short circuits or heavy overloads, strong magnetic field produced by the coils, solenoid, is sufficient to attract the armature of trip lever irrespective of the position of slug in the dashpot. The thermal tripping arrangement consists of a bimetallic strip around which a heater coil is wounded to create heat depending on the flow of current. The heater design can be either direct where current is passed through bimetal strip which affect part of electric circuit, or indirect where a coil of current carrying conductor is wound around a bimetallic strip. The deflection of bimetallic strip activates the tripping mechanism in case of certain overload conditions. The bimetal strips are made up of two different metals, usually brass and steel. These metals are riveted and welded along their length. These are so designed such that they will not heat the strip to the tripping point for normal currents, but if the current is increased beyond rated value, strip is warmed, bent and trips the latch. Bimetallic strips are chosen to provide particular time delays under certain overloads. Working and operation of MCB. Under normal working conditions, MCB operates as a switch, manual 1, to make the circuit on or off. Under overload or short circuit condition, it automatically operates or trips so that current interruption takes place in the load circuit. The visual indication of this trip can be observed by automatic movement of the operating knob to off position. This automatic operation MCB can be obtained in two ways as we have seen in MCB construction, those are magnetic tripping and thermal tripping. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution.